Over 100 hours, crash on the bike, it's time for a little refreshing. Hey guys, Rado here with Jay. We are in Dirt Bike TV garage, and today we are going to do a little refreshing of this bike. Right now, the way you see it, this seat is not mine, the silencer is not mine. We are working on all that. Jay lended this to me for a week so I can ride it a little bit. But we are ready to do like a complete makeover of this bike. We have some cracked plastics, we have bent handlebars, we need a new a chain and sprocket, and what else we need? What else we need here?
We'll just give it a oil change, filter, check everything, new grips, bars, like you said. Just make sure everything's good.
Yeah.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every...
Hey guys, if you're working on your bike and you need to get some parts or oil or even a gear, there is a lot of stuff you can get from your local dealer. If you want to know what they have in stock, you can jump on PureMoto.com and you can search the local dealer inventory online and then see what they have, drive down and pick it up.
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall. Staring out over...
Alright, so the bike is stripped down right there. I want to show you that my crash actually, I broke some plastic pieces here, the shrouds are broken. This was the exhaust that I had from Jay for like a couple of weeks, as I said, just so I can ride. And we need to remove these rubber pieces to put it in my exhaust that's been rebuilt with new packing and some new stickers, so it looks nice and new. These are the louvers that we cleaned, and we're gonna install new decals from Decal MX on them as well. It's all stripped down, everything that needs to come off came off, and now we're gonna move over to our super excited part of the build. These are new graphics from Decal MX, plus we have brand new plastics from UFO, everything white. So right now we're ready to start running everything on a bike. It won't be a complete makeover without a fresh and matching seat. So we are at Moto Seat headquarters in Temecula. We're gonna visit Travis and take care of our seat. Travis, tell me the process, what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a seat cover for your Husky bike. Basically, we're gonna, I think you're starting with a black seat cover, and it's gonna be fluorescent yellow ribs. So basically, the same process here is, every bike has its own pattern. As you can see here, he's cutting out, a bike for an older Husky in our Yamaha blue color. So that's where it starts, is just a pattern, template. And then from there, once he's cut all the pieces for each specific bike, then it goes over to our sewing department. Our standard black gripper material for the main part of the seat. And then you'll be using the flow yellow.
Oh, nice.
For the ribs part.
Cool.
It's sent over here to our sewing department. And basically the ladies here are sewing seat covers.
So let me do a little detail.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little ripper there for
yeah,
KTM
so
50 maybe?
Yeah, little 50 seat cover there. He's sewing the Yamaha 450 seats. So we also provide a gas cover cap for the 450s.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Yamahas, they have that little.
They have the 450, yes, yeah. So we provide a cap for it to go, so it matches the whole seat cover you're doing.
So this right here, we already have our cover done. Travis did that a couple days ago. So we have nice flow today in the shop. So let's put it on the seat. What are we gonna do?
Basically, I like to trim a little bit of the excess here on the front, just so it kind of folds a little better when you install it. And this would be done, you could do this to our seat, anybody's seat really. And it'll just help get the install a little bit cleaner on the front. and I just turn it inside out. And we start our process install. So I always,
gonna look good.
you know, put on the front, then I pull the back here. The patch is gonna be roughly inch and a half from the back of the seat. And then I put one staple on the back here to hold it. And then I go up here to the corners, kind of where the gas tank meets the air box. Just make sure it's centered. One staple on each side. And then now I'm just gonna check, make sure I like where the seam is. And then same thing, I'm gonna come here, make sure our logo's on the sides kind of even. And it's not pulling one direction or the other. And same thing. And I like just to finish around the back of the seat here.
You will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
That's taken care of there.
Beautiful.
And then just a little cleanup. And you're ready to ride.
Right on. Check it out, guys. This thing looks amazing. Yellow, black, nice and tight. Beautiful. Well, Travis, thanks a lot, man.
Of course, thank you.
They say it was true that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. There's a gravity to grace I can't escape, and the trouble with grace, it gives more than it takes. Yeah, I need grace that gives more than it takes. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. The narrow way is not the narrow mind, but the narrow mind feels safer locked inside. I'm seeing colors that I've never seen. Yeah, black and white feels odds of certainty. I can't live with eyes of certainty. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, sun as I've perfected, leaving behind the bullets that I bury with, letting go of the anger that I'm armored with, and I'm letting go, and I'm letting go. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. They say it was true that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. There's a gravity to grace I can't escape, and the trouble with grace, it gives more than it takes. Yeah, I need grace that gives more than it takes. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again.
Ta-da! And we are done. So Jay, what do you think? How did we do?
I think it looks great. It's good to get a little updated. We had those black and white graphics on for almost over 2 years, right?
Yeah, longer than that maybe.
So it was a while. They look cool when we did them. It's nice to get some color in here, and it looks awesome.
Right. And then we had some broken parts. We had bent handlebars. We had I got a big hit into my rear sprocket. Now we have Pro X. Actually, I went up 1 tooth to 52
Right.
from 51. So I have a little more power from those turns.
And you can carry third gear a lot more.
Yes.
That's what's the advantage.
Exactly. And then we check our bearings. We greased our steering
Yeah,
stem. We got new bars, ODI. We got new grips. We got new beautiful matching seat cover from Moto Seat. I took you guys over there to a Moto Seat factory, and then they did it all there for us. So I think it's looking pretty good. So it's time to trash it again, huh?
Right, right. Hopefully you can take care. We have extra bikes for you to ride, so I don't think
Yeah.
it's going to get a lot of hours over the next 6 months. So you can keep it looking nice for a while.
Right, that's the plan. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for today. Jay, thanks a lot for helping me. And you guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about this brand new, updated 2017 Husky 350. And don't forget, whatever you do,
Stay motivated.
see you later.